Have you ever felt like love, which once brought warmth and connection, has turned into a source of pain and confusion? Have you ever found yourself asking, why does love feel so heavy? In this video, we'll uncover the timeless teachings of the Buddha to understand why relationships often bring suffering and how we can transform that suffering into deep, enduring love. Relationships are among the most profound teachers in life. They awaken our joys, test our patience, and reveal the parts of ourselves we might otherwise ignore. According to the Buddha, our suffering in love doesn't come from love itself, but from attachment, expectation, and the illusion of permanence. 1. Why we suffer in love. In Buddhist philosophy, suffering arises from clinging to people, outcomes, or how things used to be. We expect our partners to always understand us, meet our emotional needs, and never change. But life is impermanent. People evolve, feelings shift, and circumstances change. When we cling to a fixed idea of love, disappointment is inevitable. Attachment is the root of suffering, the Buddha taught. Try visualizing love, like holding sand in your hand. If you grip too tightly, it slips away. But if you hold it gently, it remains. This analogy teaches us the importance of presence over possession. When we stop demanding love to be a certain way, we make space for it to be what it truly is: dynamic, imperfect, yet real. 2. The power of mindful communication. Words can either be bridges or walls. The Buddha emphasized right speech, speaking truthfully, kindly, and with the intent to uplift. In heated moments, we tend to lash out. You never listen. But what if instead we said, I feel unheard? Can we talk? This simple shift turns conflict into connection. Equally important is listening, truly listening. Most of us listen to reply, not to understand. Deep listening means putting aside your ego, your defense mechanisms, and hearing not just their words, but their unspoken emotions. Healing often begins not with solutions, but with presence. 3. From expectation to acceptance. Much of the pain in relationships comes from trying to make someone fit an image in our mind. We expect constant attention, endless affection, and consistent behavior. But every individual is on their own path. Buddhism teaches us to love not because someone fulfills our needs, but because they are a fellow being worthy of compassion. Practice loving kindness, metta meditation. Close your eyes and repeat, may I be happy. May you be happy. May we both find peace. Visualize your love expanding, first toward yourself, then your partner, then the entire world. This practice softens the heart and dissolves resentment. 4. Healing through forgiveness. Holding on to resentment is like drinking poison and expecting the other to suffer. The Buddha warned that anger burns the one who carries it. Forgiveness isn't about condoning harmful behavior. It's about freeing yourself from the prison of blame. When conflict arises, ask, what is this teaching me about myself? Are you clinging to being right? Are you reacting from a past wound? Use these moments to grow rather than to escalate. 5. Living in the now. Too often, we dwell on past arguments or fear future rejection. The Buddha said, do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. The present is where love truly lives. Practice daily appreciation. Tell your partner one thing you're grateful for, no matter how small. Thank you for listening. I love your patience. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already beautiful. 6. Love is a practice, not a feeling. True, love isn't just a feeling, it's a practice, Every moment offers a choice: react with ego or respond with compassion. The Buddha taught that by lighting a lamp for someone else, you also brighten your own path. Support each other's growth. Be patient. Celebrate progress over perfection. Love with the intention to give, not to get. Final reflection. If love has brought you pain, remember, it's also your greatest opportunity for awakening. The struggles you face in relationships are not punishments. They are invitations to let go of control, to communicate with presence, to love without clinging, and to find peace within. True love, the kind rooted in Buddhist wisdom, doesn't come from needing someone to complete you. It arises when you're whole within yourself and choose to walk the path of compassion with another. So the next time love challenges you, pause and ask, what is this here to teach me? And may that question lead you not to sorrow, but to peace. If this wisdom resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe to the Enlightened Mind, where we explore timeless teachings for modern hearts. Until next time, stay mindful, stay kind, and remember, love is a path we walk, not a prize we win.